In this video, we're going to show you to install the air intake box on your Dodge Charger located under your hood. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to loosen this hose clamp. I'm going to move right beside it, 8mm here for the airbox filter lid. I'm going to move to the inboard fender side. And we'll go ahead and remove our air intake tube. On the back side, we have the hose right here. I'm going to go ahead and work that off. Lift up on our lid, slide that out, grab that air filter, pull that up and out. On the front portion of our lower box, use your 8mm. Lift up. Now when you receive the unit, it's going to be fully assembled. I'm going to drop this down. Place the airbox down onto the gasket down below. Install the anchoring bolt for the airbox base, and we'll snug that down. Just snug that down gently. You want to just watch that rubber gasket when it expands just beyond the washer itself, then you're good and snug. Now here we have to go ahead and install our new air filter, so we need to remove the bolts around the perimeter. Our old box was missing this bolt right here. Go ahead and install your air filter. Take the lid, and we're going to insert the 3 tabs in the back first at an angle. Close down the lid, and we can go ahead and install our screws. Once you have them all started, we can go ahead and snug them down. Once that snugs gently, that's all you have to do. Do not over tighten it. Install the vacuum hose on the back side. Install the air intake tube. Make sure that these 2 little tabs here line up inside the notch. And secure the clamp. Just snug that gently, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.